Hello guys, do you want to make like these creativity videos without dirty word? Nemo video delivering ready to go videos. Yes, Nemo video, you can come on the platform where you can check ready to go video just in minute by giving controllable AI video editor required no editing skill. Just you have to give the prompt to what type of video you need, and this will give you something that you are deserving for and you are looking for with this smart peak and AI video editor in this Nemo video. This is a power of professional AI studio where you can give the reference video with link what type of video you want and what product you want to make ad for, and this is going to giving you really best solution with Viral Studio. You can now make short video for your YouTube channel, for your own business. You can create advertisement video ad too. On the video, no more dirty work. This is Nemo video that is going to providing you. I am going to using this product to create my own video link. So I am also going to show you step by step. First, you need to come on the section of register. You can go ahead with using Google and Gmail. After signing in successfully, you can come to the script option where drop anything about what you thought, what you want to create. As I have told you, I am going to create a video for about my product, so I have copied the link and now I can put here, and then you can give what type of video you need. Actually, you are going to put here details and then you will proceed to the next option, and then here after a complete prompt, what is your thought you can deliver to the Nemo video AI, and then you have to click on the create video. You can either get your reference link or referral clip you can attach and click on the create video. This is my product I am going to using, and then I am on the studio that is updated. Script is going to be written automatically. You can check here. Nemo AI is also going to give you AI assistant to chat, to communicate, and then you can also give here some reference video. If you want to add some material, you can do it. And now you can take this is the studio where audio, video and sound can also be checked out, and there if you want to go ahead with the Nemo video, then you can talk to them. Here I have given the link as a reference. I want a video like this, and now you can check in green. It is also going to working perfectly, and it has created here my voice. Here is now could like what type of ad I want. I have created. You can easily come on the Nemo video to create amazing content. You can chat with Nemo AI assistant. What type of you need the content. Actually, you are going to get fascinating some creativity here. If you want to go ahead to use it, you can see, and now you can even export it too. For that, you can also click on it, and this is my own product. What about that? I have created the video successfully, and you can check it really reference, take the reference, take the information and give the appropriate video about our product with the voice or with proper thing. You can easily get in touch with it. Like if you want to customize something, you can do it. And now we want to up to like export by this platform that is very fast. This platform is really good. Now you can see this is the my video made what Nemo video has created, and you can check successfully about my product that is about the like a camera. By that people can do live streaming, they can play and they can do recording of it in a high resolution, and everything is working perfectly with AI highlight. You can see here, and this is about Nemo video how actually this is going to work, and you can come on it. You can check the asset library of what did my previous product and what I can also now customize. If you come on your profile to check off, after that you can upgrade your profile to, for that you will be given more points. You will also be upgraded to the enterprise level to create a lot of videos about your product. What type of and ad you want to create in just a minute you can create it. I hope you understand everything about it. If you have any question, you can ask in our combo. See you next till and take care.